Transportation only. When you get to that station, you will be asked to exit the train. However, when you are ready to return back to Harambe.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Once again, we need everybody completely seated at all times. Thank you.
We're just barely good. We're not even sitting there. Hey.
Once again, welcome aboard the Wildlife Express. My name is Keith Chase and I'll be your conductor on our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We're going to find our animal veterinary hospital, animal petting areas where you can pet and brush some of our domestic animals, as well as character meet and greets with Rafiki himself. Up ahead, you'll be able to see some of the backstage homes of some of our African savanna animals. We have the lion, the warthog, and the hoofed dog. At night, these animals are brought in for their care and feeding by a specific sound known only to them, whether it be the sound of a triangle or the sound of two pieces of wood hit together. If you've ever wondered why Disney's Animal Kingdom closes a little earlier than the rest of our parks, it is because this process of caring for and feeding our 1,500 plus animals here at Animal Kingdom takes approximately 2 to 3 hours each day, and the process must be completed before sundown.
What time they close?
Up ahead, you'll be able to see some more backstage homes of the white rhino, the cheetah, the African elephant, and the giraffe. Now, the cheetah is the fastest of all land animals. The African elephant is the largest, and the giraffe is the tallest.
Oh, yeah. Somewhere, I didn't see him though. What was he doing?
It was just laying in the mud.
Oh, I meant white rhino building. What are those things?
That mural you'll be seeing off in the distance is Rafiki's Planet Watch. So once again, you'll find our animal veterinary hospital and research facilities. Affection section, which is our animal petting area, where you can pet and brush some of our domestic animals, as well as character meet and greets with Rafiki. In a few moments, we'll be arriving at Rafiki Station. So at this time, please remember to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs completely